Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to track sales KPIs using Notion in 2025 so you can measure performance and stay on top of your targets. Start by creating or duplicating a sales KPI tracker template. Must come with a table dashboard setup and field like revenue details, closed, conversion rate, pipeline, value and follow-ups. This gives you a clear snapshot of what your sales are. Next, log your sales data or connect integration through Zapier or Make so the number flow in automatically from your CRM or payment system. This keeps your KPIs accurate without manual entry. Use formulas to calculate metrics like average deal size, win rate, or month-over-month growth. You can also switch to chart or board view for a more visual look at your progress. Finally, connect this KPI tracker or client database in Notion. That way, every deal you track is linked to your real outcomes, making it easy to spot strength and bottlenecks. With KPIs organized in Notion, you will know exactly what's working, what needs attention, and how to hit your sales goals faster. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.